Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about the collection helpers. Hope you are all familiar with the collections, but I will show you in this video that there are a lot of helpers, so you can use them and save your bunch of time. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start it with the pretty basic collection. So I have connected database, and this one is items table. I'm going to insert the two item here, item 1. Okay, let me, I can add this twice at once, but anyway, item 2. So now I have two items here in my database and in my application. Let me close this tinker stuff. Okay, so I have two records in my database, and if I go to the web.php file, here I'm not going to use these ones. I'm going to use this home, and then I'm going to use my logic here on the home page, right? And basically I'm going to fetch those records. So for example, items equal item, this one is added at the top, and then all, right? So one item method is all. So here you can dd your items or simply return those items. So let's go here and open my domain, local domain here. Okay, and it's returning the Laravel features, refresh, and still returning this. I think it's cached, so let me open the incognito mode. So incognito, and just type this Laravel features dot test, and still it's returning the from, oh my god, it's returning from here. So let's go ahead and give it a refresh, and yes, now we have these two collection, right? So here you can see that this one is a eloquent collection, and we are getting the collection here which contain two arrays. Now I want to, here I have this item 1, and let me enter something differently, like dove, and then another is sunslick, right? Sunslick. Okay, sunslick. And here now I want to basically transform them into the uppercase. So how I can do this? So simply go here, and by default it's all method and get returned the collection, right? So you don't need to convert this into the collection, but you can do this using the collect helper, right? Okay, so how you can transform this into the uppercase? So simply type this items and then call this map function. This one is a closure which will accept the singular object here, item, and then you can apply the condition on this item, like return the item name here, and this on this name you can apply the str to upper, which is a PHP native function. Okay, and then you can return this items. So simply return this items collection, give it a refresh, and yes, we are getting the two collections same. So check this out, and still it's returning the same results. So let me save them into the new variable and then print this out to return the newer one. Okay, it's returning the null. So let me return this from here. Let's get refresh, two arrays, and yes, now I'm getting their name and in the uppercase, right? So in this way you can apply the transformation, or you can modify the collection on the runtime. For example, you want to apply the logic, you don't need to go to the for each loop and then apply this on. We can directly apply this on like this. But what if that by default it's not returning collection? So how you can do this? So the process is identical. So in this way you can apply the item using the collect method. So in this way you can convert your arrays into the collection using the collect method. So for example, you have an array, like I'm going to remove this stuff, and I'm going to add this first an array like dove, and then here I'm going to add the life boy, right? Let me favor the life boy. Okay, and then here you can directly pass this item like collect, and then you can call the map function closure and something like this, right? So other process is identical, like you can accept the item here and then return this item here, right? And then save this into the variable something like this, right? So this will return the same result. So let's get refresh. Attempt to read name on string. Oh yeah, correct, because we are using this without any we are using the index array. So just to make this as let me pass this, we can pass this into the two arrays, or if you don't want to do this, so simply return the item something like this. Let's refresh. We are getting the two ones, dove and life boy, right? So in this way you can apply the helpers on it, and there are a bunch of helpers. So let me go down. You can apply average, chunk, we are using this collect. You can apply the these all of the helpers, so you can use these are all of the collections helper is not empty. And then there are much popular is minimum, then the others are is empty. Also this one is also looking this, you are also using this take. Maybe you didn't know about this, but this take is also the collection helper. Then there are a bunch of other things you can use this and save your life to not write your custom logic. So if you think that this you don't know about this collections, all of the helpers, or you know about them, so shoot them into the comments box. So we will discuss this, and I will meet you in the next one with the new video. Thank you.